sake. Whoa, 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 wait, wait, wait. What are you doing? Guys? What is this machine doing with this distribution? Hello? Okay, can you stop now? Thanks. Oh my god. This was pretty crazy. Okay, so again. Oh, look. Finally! This is the first time showing this message in like 1 year and a month of using this machine. Didn't know this V3 actually has a cycle count. Okay. Now filling. Let me put the lamp. So I'm just gonna make the filling from service mode. And this is all. Hopefully I didn't put it in too much. Oh, no, for sure I didn't put too much. Please tumble. Please tumble. Yeah, it really makes... Oh, yeah, there we go. The heater is on and it's not gonna use any more water. This will be so nice. Very good wash action. What can I say? Oh, 44 actually. It's a 44 degrees and it's still heating the water. So yeah, 3 degrees less, that means around 42. And why is it overheating? Is what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fill it with some water, as Cookie taught me. Wait, there we go. I'm gonna fill the machine right now. And there we go, it's filling from pre-wash. This is so good. 247, okay, thanks. Cotton 40 default, 4 hours and 2 minutes. It hits to 50 or 60, something like this. So it will not be a 40 degrees wash. So that's pretty good. And thinking about how long is this cycle, I think that would be great. This is cool. Please recommend me a detergent that makes sense. This is still full. Oh, no. What I did? Oh, what? What happens if you press start when it's spinning? Nothing actually. Demo mode is only for 6 motion. Like you have, as you can see now, it's on motion 2, which is filtration, and that's it. So it's basically just a demo mode to... Actually you can use that when the machine is on the store, so customers can see how is it working. But service mode is doing like heating, spin, yeah, maximum spin, and stuff like that. Okay. Yeah, washing pillows on for... Whoa, this is unbalanced. Wait. Yeah. Washing pillows on 40 degrees, that's not very smart and good. Now the dryers have a drum light. as far as I know. But the washing machine doesn't. 4 hours since the stream started. Okay. 50 degrees at the moment. They are beddings though. They need to be washed, so. Okay, let me check the